You are about to hear something different. Not theory, not fantasy, but a sentence so alive that when you speak it with conviction, you will feel the very ground of your life begin to shift. I ask you to pause before you continue. This is not casual. This is not background noise. What you're about to hear is meant for the part of you that has been searching, longing, and waiting for the proof that abundance can be yours right now. Think for a moment about the way money has been described to you all your life. Work harder, wait longer, please the right people. Follow the rules, and maybe, just maybe, you'll be rewarded. But if you've been watching closely, you've already seen the cracks in that story. You've seen those who grind endlessly and still live in lack. You've seen others, seemingly effortless, move through life in wealth and ease. And you've asked the question, why? The answer isn't out there. It never was. It has always been within you. And every true teacher of consciousness pointed to the same truth. What you hold in imagination, what you clothe in feeling, becomes your lived experience. Neville Goddard called your imagination the only creative power. Others called it faith, vibration, or state of being. But all were pointing to the same thing. Your inner word, spoken with feeling, shapes the outer world. Right now, your mind is trying to guess. What is this sentence? How can a few words change my entire reality? Before you hear it, I need you to understand something crucial. Words on their own are empty shells. You could repeat affirmations for years and nothing would happen if they were not alive in you. But when words are soaked in imagination, when they are charged with the fire of belief, they stop being mere sounds. They become law. They become a decree reality must follow. This is why you are here. You didn't stumble on this message by accident. You press play because something inside you is ready. Ready to stop waiting. Ready to stop hoping. Ready to cross the invisible line between desire and fulfillment. And once you cross it, you will not return the same. Because once you know that reality bends to the word you speak from within, you cannot unknow it. Pause and breathe with me. Feel your shoulders soften. Feel your chest open. Because you are about to plant a seed that carries wealth, freedom, and overflowing prosperity. And this seed is a sentence. History itself proves the power of words. Empires have risen and fallen because of a sentence spoken at the right time. Religions have spread across the world because of a single phrase that stirred the heart. Words are not harmless. They are carriers of states. They are containers of power. And if you are still living under the weight of sentences like, I can't afford that, or money doesn't come easily, then you already know their destructive power. Those words became walls around you, invisible but real. But tonight, those walls can fall. Because just as words imprisoned you, a new word can set you free. Imagine this, a sentence so rich in consciousness, so alive with the vibration of prosperity, that the very moment you speak it, lack dissolves. The chains of old beliefs fall away. You stand in a new identity, not as someone chasing money, but as the wealthy one who already has it. Neville once wrote that the feeling of the wish fulfilled, if sustained, becomes fact. The question is, how do you ignite that feeling? How do you step out of hoping and into knowing? That is what this sentence is for. It is simple, almost too simple, and yet it carries the spark of creation itself. Stay with me. Don't rush. Because if you hear this sentence without preparation, it will pass through you like wind. You'll nod, forget, and nothing will change. But if you prepare yourself now, if you open your imagination, if you let yourself taste the reality you've been asking for, then when you speak the words, they will not just be sounds, they will be a birth. So take another breath. Picture wealth not as coins, not as paper, not as numbers on a screen, but as a living current of energy moving towards you. See yourself not as a beggar waiting at the door, but as the one wealth is running to meet. Because money does not chase effort. Money chases states. And when you embody the wealthy state, when you speak from it, the world must echo it back. We are nearly there. You are standing before the invisible door. On the other side is the sentence, the key that unlocks abundance. But before you step through, make this promise to yourself that you will not treat it as a trick, not as a novelty, not as entertainment. You will treat it as truth. You will allow it to clothe your imagination, to awaken your feeling, to reshape your identity. Because when you speak it, you will no longer be the one waiting for prosperity. You will be prosperity itself, and life will rearrange to prove it. You have prepared. You have listened, and now the door opens. The sentence is this: I already have it. Read it again slowly. Not I will have it. Not it's coming one day. Not I hope it arrives, but I already have it. 4 words that collapse time, dissolve waiting, and pull tomorrow into today. Why does it work? Because every time you speak of the future, you push wealth away. You place it at a distance. You train your mind to wait. But when you say, I already have it, you step into the end. You embody the version of yourself who is no longer chasing money, but living with it, breathing with it, moving through life as if prosperity is natural. And when that state becomes natural, money has no choice but to reflect it back. Opportunities appear where there were none. Invitations arrive without explanation. A calm confidence moves through your decisions and life responds. Pause for a moment. Whisper it softly to yourself. I already have it. Now close your eyes. Imagine holding the money you desire, not a little, but large sums, more than enough to make you smile in disbelief. Imagine looking at your bank account glowing with unexpected numbers. Imagine paying every bill with ease, giving freely, and still having more. Feel that relief in your body. That is the secret. Neville Goddard often said, feeling is the secret. Not effort, not repetition. Feeling. If you can feel the truth of the words, they are no longer just words. They are creation. The subconscious does not argue. It does not ask, but where is the proof? It only responds to the feeling, and when the feeling is real, the outer world bends to match it. So tonight, before sleep, let this sentence be the last thing on your lips. Whisper it as you drift into dreams. I already have it. Let your body relax as though it were true. Let your heart rest in the ease of abundance. And as you wake tomorrow, carry that state with you. Walk through the day not as the one who waits, but as the one who already has. Understand, this is not about repeating a phrase endlessly. It is about claiming an identity. The poor one can win the lottery and still lose it all because the old state remains. But the wealthy one, even if stripped bare, rises again because wealth is not money alone. Wealth is a state of being, and you choose that state now. So the invitation is clear. Stop living in the shadow of lack. Step into the light of fulfillment. Declare it, embody it, and let the world echo it back. Every time fear whispers, every time doubt tries to pull you back, return to the sentence. Whisper it gently until calm replaces fear. I already have it. That is your new reality. That is your new identity. And the moment you live it, you will see life rush to meet you with proof.